all viewers and dear students. We have a new question for you, dear families members, that is already asked for the entry test, Oxford University entry test. So let's come. This question is 6x plus 2 minus 6 power x is equal to 60. How we calculate the value of x is unknown. X is unknown. 6 power x plus 2 minus 6 power x is equal to 60. How we calculate the value of x? So first of all, we can write according to the double exponent rule. According to the double exponent rule, we have that rule: a power m plus n is equal to a power m a power n. According to this rule, we can write this term is, we can write 6 power x into 6 power 2 is minus 6 power x is equal to 60. Now taking common, 6 power x and 6 power x is common. Taking common, six power x from each term, so we get 6 power x. We get 6 square minus 1, and here the coefficient is 1. Minus 1 is equal to 60. Now 6 power x, we can write 6 power 6 square, we can write 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. So we get 36 minus 1 is equal to 60. If we subtract this from 6 power x is equal to 35 is equal to 60. Now dividing both sides by 35. So dividing both sides by 35, this will be cancelled, and 6 power x both are cancelled, and this will be cancelled with 7. So we get 6 power x. 6 power x is equal to 12 over 7. Now here we are taking because natural logarithm we cannot use here, but here we are using common logarithm because the constant is here and the base. So taking common logarithm, common log on both sides. So taking log of 6 power x is equal to log of 12 over 7. Now according to this rule, log m power n is equal to n log of m. Log of n. Similarly, and here we consider this is n and this is n. Log of m divided by n is equal to log of m minus log of n. According to this rules, if we simplify this term is here, so x times log of 6 is equal to log of 12 minus log of 7. So division rule, quotient rule are used here. Now dividing both sides by log of x, log of 6 are divided on both sides. So log of 12 divided by log of 6 minus log of 7 divided by log of 6. So this will be cancelled to each other. Here base law we are using here. According to the base law is that one: log of a divided by log of b is equal to be taking log of a and b. Base b is in the base and exponent is a. Log of b. According to this rule, we are applying on this law. So we can write x is equal to log of 6 power 6 12. And here we can also use another rules also. If we are expanding x is equal to log 6, and we can write log 6 into 12 divided by 6 multiplied by 2, we get here log of 6 minus log of 7 divided by log of 6. And here we can write, and here product is available, so in product rules here is used, we are using in the product rule. According to the product rule, log of mn is equal to log of m plus log of n. According to this rules, we are using is equal to log of 6 plus log of 2 divided by log of 6 minus log of 7 divided by log of 6. So x is equal to log of 6 divided by log of 6 plus log of 2 divided by log of 6 minus log of 7 divided by log of 6. So according to this rule, base law, here we are using here x is equal to log of 6 power 6 plus 6 square and minus log of 6 7. Log 6 7. So this will be equal to 1. X is equal to 1 plus log of 6 power 2 minus log of base 6 7, which is the required answer of this question. Now we want to verify this question, so we will get 60 or not. So first of all, we consider the term 6 power x plus 2 minus 6 is b. Verification: 6 power x plus 2 minus 6 power x is equal to 60. That is our question. So our answer we substitute this value in the place of x. We will get the answer. Check the answer. 6 power x, in the place of x we put 1 plus log of 6 2 minus log of 6 7 plus 2. That is the value of x. We have already done in the question. Minus 6 power 1 plus log of 6 2 minus log of 6 7. We try to find the value of 60. Now 2 or 1 if we add, so we get here 6 power 3 plus log of 6 power 2 minus log of base 6 7 minus 6 power here 1 and plus log of 6 power 2 minus log of 6 7. Now we can write according to the rule and to the double exponent rule we have already done. A power m plus n, we can write am into a power n. According to this rule, first of all we write 6 power 3 plus 6 power log 6 power 3 log of log 6 square minus, and also we can write 6 power log of 2 minus log of 6 7 minus, and here we can also write 6 power 1 and 6 log of 6 power 2 minus log of 6 power 7. According same rule we are using here, and we get apply and quotient rule. If we are applying here log of m divided by n, log m divided by n, and here we get log m divided by n. According log of 3 power 216 and 6 log of 6, and here and the power if we divided by, and this will be log of 6 power 7. Similarly, and here minus 6 into 6 log of 6 square divided by and log of 6 7. F power m plus n is equal to a power m dot a power n, and here we can also apply this rule 6 power 3 and 6 power log of 6 minus log of 6 7 minus here minus 6 power 1 and dot 6 power log of 6 square minus log of 6 7. Now here we will apply the base law according to the, we can write this one be 216 and 6 power log of 6 2, and this will be changed into log of 6 base and 6 7 minus 6 into 6 log of 6 square divided by log of 6 power 7. So now we will get according to the base law log of bx is equal to x. So this will be equal to 1, and here the same result we get here 216 dot 2 divided by, and here is 1 7 minus and 6, and here is log, this one is 1 and 2 divided by, and here is also 1, and we get here 1. 7 is the LCM, 7 is the LCM, we get here 2 is also common. If we 2 is common, this will be divided by 7, so you will get the answer is 60, which is the required proof. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.